right, so I have a new truck here. Not new, anyways, but it's new to me. This is a 2008 Ford Ranger XL with the 2.3 liter. This is a very base model. Doesn't even have power locks, power doors, and a lot of little things wrong with it. So I'll be filming a lot of stuff, trying to, you know, make it look better. It looks like some jury rigs were done. Someone hit something in the front. And what's interesting is the overall vehicle is actually in really good shape. It's only got 48,000 original miles, but being a 2008, obviously it's, you know, what, almost 15 years old. So I'm going to go through the maintenance on this and also fix several things as we're going. So the first thing, and the reason I need to fix this, I need to get the car aligned. My concern is the car's so out of line, I don't want to ruin tires. And when I was working on this and looking it over, the sway bars broke in here. And literally, I don't know what happened here and why there is no sway bars here, but look at this. That's not normal. So I went ahead and bought new end links here for this, and I'll show you how to replace them. But I've never seen a car like this. I'm gonna go ahead and show how to replace the end links. Be a 16 millimeter, but so when you put this together, obviously the upper control arm would be here, and then you got to put this on, and then the the stabilizer bar, and then the control lower control arm would be there. It's fairly simple as long as the metal's there, and you also want it to face down, not like this. So obviously bolt on top. So when you're changing the anything with the suspension, you're supposed to have weight on the car, and it should be as level as possible. That's why I didn't use a jack, and I used these tire stands to make sure there's weight. Because of the accident, I'm going to have this car checked again for alignment. So I'm not going to care about the car being level. I just want to wait. If you were doing this and you were not having alignment when you're done, if you replace these end links, what you would want to do is drop the car back to level and then tighten it to make sure it's sitting right. But again, in most cases, as long as you have weight on the front end like this, you're fine. But again, if you're really picky, put the car level and tighten the links the links back up.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.